Okay, guys, are we warmed up? Kids, are we warmed up? Can't hear you.
All right, we're going to do a 3-team rotation and switch after goal for 3 minutes. Is that okay? All right.
Come on, you gents. Get ready. Come on, go, go, go.
Se queda tranquilo. Un gol.
Okay, so what's going to happen next is that we'll get everyone, all the players are seated over here.
Fish. Yeah. During the sign, if you become
Guys, this is important, but the kids are most important. Guys, we're lining up. So, things are, we're going to have them come on one single line here. The groups go back here. We're going to go one by one.
People don't listen.
We have the second one.
People are respecting you.
As usual. Mbappe. Where's Mbappe?
So I'll tell you, I'm good.
Yeah. One, two, three.
執漏係最好，即係嗰啲夾。
Move along, guys. Once you find the picture, we're going to move along. Thank you.
冇人揾嗰啲啦，嗰啲就冇人。Okay, good.